Good morning, students. Today, in this lecture, we will solve numerical problem on preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and capital account, and we will also solve a problem on calculation of interest on capital under partnership fundamentals. First of all, we will go for calculation of interest on capital. Calculation of interest on capital is calculated with due allowance for any addition or withdrawal of capital during the accounting period. Interest on capital is usually calculated on opening balances given in the question. But sometimes there are some addition and withdrawal also given in the question. At that time, how will we will have to calculate interest on capital, we will discuss today. First of all, on the opening balance, interest will be charged for full year if there is no withdrawal during the year. On additional capital, interest will be charged from the date of addition made by partners. If there is withdrawal during the year, then amount withdrawn will be reduced and interest will be charged on remaining amount. It means usually we calculate interest on capital on opening balances given in the question. But if any partner carries additional capital in firm, then the firm has to pay interest on capital on additional amount also. And if any partner withdraw some portion of capital from the firm, then the capital contribution of that partner will reduced by that amount and calculation is done accordingly. Let us take a example. Sunflower Rose started partnership business on 1st April 2016 with capitals of rupees 2,50,000 and rupees 1,50,000 respectively. On October 1st, 2016, they decided that their capitals should be rupees 2 lakh each. The necessary adjustments in capitals are made by introducing or withdrawing cash. Interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Calculate interest on capital as on March 31st, 2017. In this question, Sunflower and Rose has their capital on 1st April 2016 as rupees 2,50,000 and 1,50,000 respectively. And on 1st October, they decided to fix their capital at 2 lakh. It means the Sunflower's capital will be reduced in firm by 50,000 and Rose capital will be increased by 50,000. It means Rose will make addition to his capital and Sunflower will make withdrawal in his capital. Let us go for solution of interest on capital. First of all, interest on Sunflower's capital. As Sunflower has introduced capital of rupees 2,50,000 on 1st April and this amount remains in firm up to 1st October 2016. So, we will calculate interest on capital at the rate of 10% for 6 months on 2,50,000 capital. the interest will come as rupees 12,500 up to October 2016. On 1st October, the capital contribution of Sunflower is only rupees 2 lakh in firm, and his capital of rupees 2 lakh remain in firm for 6 months. Again, we will calculate interest on his capital. 2 lakh multiplied by 10% multiplied by time, that is 6 months, it will come as 10,000. This is a simple calculation. The total interest payable to Sunflower is rupees 22,500. Now we will calculate interest on Rose capital. In Rose capital, there is an addition of 50,000 on 1st October onward. Interest on Rose capital on rupees 1,50,000 from 1st April 2016 to 1st October 2016. Interest will come as rupees 7,500, and after addition from 1st October 2016 to 31st March 2017, his interest will be rupees 10,000, which is calculated as amount of capital multiplied by rate multiplied by time, that is 2 lakh multiplied by 10% multiplied by 6 months. In this way, the total amount of interest on Rose capital is 17,500. So, our answer for interest on capital is rupees 22,500 for Sunflower's capital and rupees 17,500 for Rose capital. Now, we will proceed for preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and preparation of capital accounts of partners with the help of numerical question. The statement of question goes like this: Soumya and Bimal are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The balance in their capital and current account as on April 1st, 2019 were as follows. The capital account balance of Soumya rupees 3 lakh and of Bimal rupees 2 lakh, and current account balances of Soumya 1 lakh and Bimal 80,000. The partnership deed provides that Soumya is to be paid salary at the rate of rupees 500 per month, whereas Vimal is to get a commission of rupees 40,000 for the year. Interest on capital is to be credited at 6% per annum. The drawings of Soumya and Vimal for the year were rupees 30,000 and rupees 10,000 respectively. The net profit of the firm before making these adjustments was given as rupees 2,49,000. Interest on Soumya's drawing was rupees 750 and Vimal's drawing rupees 250. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account and current account. For preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, we will use salary, which is given as at the rate of rupees 500 per month. Salary is given to Soumya, and for full year it will be 6,000 and it will be shown on debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Next, commission of rupees 40,000 to Vimal will also be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum will be calculated on capital account balances which are given as 3 lakh Soumya, 2 lakh Bimal, and it will come as Soumya 18,000 and Bimal 2 lakh. 2 lakh multiplied by 6%, it will come as 12,000 as we have calculated in our last slides. The drawings of Soumya and Vimal for the year are given as 30,000 and 10,000. These will be shown in current account, and the net profit of firm before making these adjustments was given as 2,49,000. It will be credited in profit and loss appropriation account. There is interest on drawing of rupees 750 for Soumya and rupees 250 for Bimal. It will be credited in profit and loss appropriation account. Let us proceed for profit and loss appropriation account. We can see on the debit side to interest on capital, Soumya's current account 18,000. It is calculated on his balance of capital account 3 lakh multiplied by rate 6% per annum. It comes as 18,000, and Bimal's interest on capital comes as 12,000. Calculations are given in the column. Total of their interest, that is rupees 30,000, will come in outer column. And salary which is given to Soumya at the rate of rupees 500 per annum will come as rupees 6,000. Commission which is payable to Bimal rupees 40,000 will also shown in debit side. The net profit as per profit and loss account of rupees 2,49,000 is given. It in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawing on partners is given as rupees 750 and 250. Total of this as rupees 1,000 will shown in outer column. If we make the total of credit side, we get it 2,50,000, and the balancing figure comes as rupees 1,74,000. 1,74,000 is the figure of profit which is to be transferred to partners' current account. This will be distributed in their profit sharing ratio, which is given as 3:2 in statement. That is, Soumya and Bimal are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So, amount of rupees 1,74,000 is distributed in 3:2 ratio, and it comes as rupees 1,04,400 for Soumya's share and rupees 69,600 for Vimal's share. Calculations are given. Now we will prepare capital account and current account. If we go through the statement, we have capital account balances given as 3 lakh and 2 lakh. There is no addition given in question. So, the capital account closing balance will also 3 lakh and 2 lakh. This is capital account. of Soumya and Bimal. By balance brought down rupees 3 lakh and 2 lakh. This is opening balance, and closing balance is given as 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Now current account. For preparation of current account, opening balance given in current account is rupees 1 lakh Soumya, rupees 80,000 Bimal. This balance will be shown in credit side of Soumya and Vimal's current account, and other items which are to be shown are salary, commission, interest on capital, and the profit which is distributed in profit and loss appropriation account. All these items will be shown in credit side of current account, and on debit side of current account we will show drawings of Soumya and Vimal which are given as rupees 30,000 and 10,000, and interest on interest on drawing rupees 750 and rupees 250. These two items will be shown in debit side of current account. This is a view of current account of Soumya and Vimal. In first column of credit side, by balance brought down 1 lakh and 80,000. By interest on capital 18,000 and 12,000. This is calculated already. By salary given in question as rupees 500 per month will come as 6,000 for full year. Then by commission rupees 40,000. Then the distribution of profit among partner, that will be shown as by profit and loss appropriation account, rupees 1,04,400 in Soumya's current account and rupees 69,600 in Bimal's current account. Now in the debit side of current account, to drawing 30,000 and 10,000, to interest on drawing 750 and 250. Now the balance of current account shows rupees 1,97,650 in Soumya's account and rupees 1,91,350 in Vimal's account. It comes after making the total of credit side and subtracting the amount of drawing and interest on drawing. This is all about the numerical question on preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and current account. Thank you. That's all for today.